Jayla Styles. For those of you who are unfamiliar with me, my name is Jayla and this is Jayla Styles. I previously did a video, an unboxing video of the Givenchy Antigona soft style in size medium. Now is a review. I purchased this bag about 2 weeks ago online from an app called Shoptagr. If you haven't heard of them before, it's an app and they will look across websites to find you the best deal for whatever you're looking for. There are some stores on there that are cash bag. And this particular bag that I purchased, the Givenchy size medium Antigona, the soft style, I decided to purchase it in black color because it's just a color and the style can just last me for a lifetime. Also, this particular bag came from Italy. It came from Milan, shipped directly to my house. And also, I would like to say this bag is made of leather on the outside, and on the inside is like a cloth type material. But to the review, like I said, I purchased this 2 weeks ago and I've only taken it out twice. The first time that I have taken it out was to check the bag in store, because like I said, I bought this bag online, so I wanted to make sure, because I never heard of the company before, so I wanted to make sure that, you know, the bag was pretty much identical to the one in store. So I took this bag to Saks, Fifth Avenue, and I took it to a Givenchy boutique inside of Saks, and I looked at the bag and the bags were identical. So, but I still wanted to be sure, so I ended up using an authenticating company, and they authenticated the bag for me. And so I have confidence now that, you know, I know for sure that my bag, you know, is legit, authentic, because like I said, I've never heard of the company that I used, that the app used, you know, so I never heard of them. And so I just wanted to be sure. So I suggest anyone, if you buy luxury items online, especially if you don't know of the company, it'd be a good thing to get your luxury item authenticated. But back to the review of the bag. I would like to say that this bag, I love it. Okay, I love this bag because it's very versatile. Okay, you can wear it so many different ways. I know it has a shoulder strap, and then you can also wear it in the crook of your arm. But also, you can have a different look. So it depends on what kind of look you're going for. Like for me, if I'm kind of dressy, I would kind of keep the bag in this with the clasps attached and kind of feel like the air inside. If you look at my previous video, the unboxing video, I gave you a tip, because if you're looking at this bag online in the photos, it shows a lot of slouch. And I gave a tip in my unboxing video of how you can get that same look. And I also said that with over time, I think it'll automatically slouch. So if I'm wearing like heels, going for like a dress up look, then I would kind of wear it in this style. And also, like if I'm going for more of a sporty type look, laid back, what I would do is go for the slouchy look. I will undo the clasps on the end. Okay, and I would elongate the bag like this and massage the air out of it to try to get the slouchy look. Okay. And then I will re-zip the bag. Okay. So I will wear it in like the crook of my arm like this, you can see, for the more slouchy look. And I like the way these flap. It's kind of like edgy. So I like the way this look is. I will also wear it like this on my shoulder. Okay. Just let it slouch like this on my shoulder. Okay. So that's just, you know, one look. And like I say, the other look is if you wanted it fuller, you could just let the air back inside of it, or you can use what's it called, one of those inserts to kind of shape your bag for you. So, but for this bag, I won't buy an insert. I kind of like the way it looks as it is. But so like the review that I was saying is that I love the versatility of the bag, okay? So not only is it two-way strap and then handle, but you can get a different look, okay? It depends on what type of look you're going for. Okay, so now let's talk about the con. Now, I took this to the mall. My first time wearing it out, I took it to the mall. Like I said, I was going to try to compare the bag to the bag in the boutique. And, you know, because I wanted to make sure before I clipped off that tag that, you know, from the store that I got it from, just to be sure. So, but anyway, I wore it, you know, after I looked at it and everything and compared the bags, and I was okay. So I walked around in the mall with it on my shoulder. Now, I didn't really have anything inside but my keys, my phone, my wallet, and a little small toiletry bag. And it was okay, but then we started going to maybe a couple of stores, and I put like a very, very small bag. I can't remember what was inside, but we went to like a jewelry store, and then I put the little small bag inside of here. And we were at the mall for about 2.5, maybe 3 hours. And I'm a left shoulder wearer. I like to wear my bags on my left shoulder. So I didn't really switch my shoulders, but I started to notice that it was starting to ache a little bit. So I don't know, maybe I should have switched the shoulders, but I really didn't have much in here at all. So I just want to make a note of that you will definitely, if you wear it on a shoulder all the time, you may start to feel something. If you start to put things in here, it may start to get heavy. So that's the only con that I can see and remember with this bag. Maybe another con is just the handles. Like in this position, it's kind of hard to wear it on your shoulder. But if you watch my unboxing video, you will hear me say you have to undo the clasps, and it'll kind of make it a little longer, so the handles won't be in your armpits. So other than that, this is my review of the Givenchy Soft Antigona medium size in the black color. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you.